Hello friends, today we're going to be tracing the alphabet book. We're going to first start with the picture name, then the letter sound, and then we're going to trace the letter. Ready? Let's go! Apple, apple, A, letter A. Bear, bear, B, letter B. Cat, cat, C, letter C. Duck, duck, D, letter D. Elephant, elephant, E, letter E. Fish, fish, F, letter F. Goose, goose, G, letter G. Horse, horse, H, letter H. Igloo, igloo, I, letter I. Jump, jump, J, letter J. Kangaroo, kangaroo, K, letter K. Lion, lion, L, letter L. Mouse, mouse, M, letter M. Noodle, noodles, N, letter N. Ostrich, ostrich, O, letter O. Pig, pig, P, letter P. Queen, queen, Q, letter Q. Rooster, rooster, R, letter R. Seal, seal, S, letter S. Tiger, tiger, T, letter T. Umbrella, umbrella, U, letter U. Volcano, volcano, V, letter V. Worm, worm, W, letter W. Fox, fox, X, letter X. Yo, Y, letter Y. Zebra, Z, letter Z. Yay! Good job, friends.